Abasolwa weKrugersdorp bathwesa amacala umuntu ngamunye baqalene necala lokuphula umthetho okungena enarheni ngokungemthetho. Umbuso uphenya ukuthi akunalabo kulesiqhema abathindeke ecaleni lokukata kwabomma ababunane. Umbuso uphakamise nokuthi icala lithuliswe bona kuthola amagama ngokomthetho wabasolwa.
They have been charged for being illegal in the country, and we are working on the investigation to see if some of those will be linked.
Ngaphandle kwekhotho kamarhistrada uKrugersdorp bekubuthena abatshotsozeli abalwela amalungelo abomma kunye nenhlangano zepolitiki.
It is the 1st of August. It's supposed to be Women's Month, and yet here we are marking Women's Month with the rape of 8 women. We are tired. The South African government has let women down. The South African government has let South Africans down. You have failed us. You give us a South African police service that says to us that they are afraid of going into the places where the Zamazamas are. We are saying to you, if the SAPS is afraid to go and fight Zamazamas for us, we are saying deploy the SANDF.
We are here as the ANC, together with myself, is the regional secretary of the Women's League in the region and other members of the Women's League. We are basically here to give support to the victims of an incident that we all know about that has happened in our region. We are Westland, a mining region. These incidents are not isolated. You speak about Mirafong, Randfontein, and Krugersdorp. This is our daily bread.
Umphakathi weKrugersdorp uthi sewuphilele evalweni bazizwa bangakavikeleki nalokho abahlezi emakhaya abo.